So here we go. Brewski will go first. And what I need are two things. I need a slope and I need a y-intercept. Now, Brewski is the trickiest one. I'm going to start by drawing a slope triangle here for Brewski. It looks like a positive slope. It's up 2 and over 1 for that slope. Now, the tricky thing about this is I can't see where this line crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is here. And this line would cross that y-axis somewhere down here. I know it's going to be negative. The question is, where does it cross? Anybody know where it is? You think it's going to be -4? -5, -4? So every time we go over 1, we go up or down 2. So if I go over 1, I would go down 2. And if I went over another 1, then I would go down another 2. So that's -4. Yeah. So this is happening at -4. So I know my y-intercept is -4. That's going to go at the end of my equation. And then the slope and the x value go at the beginning. My slope is rise over run would be 2 over 1. And we need to attach an x to that. And I probably would rewrite this as just y equals 2x minus 4. We don't really need that over 1 part. You check that? Is that what you got? Yeah. Great. All right. Gia. Gia's a little more straightforward. Gia's got a y-intercept here at +5. So her equation is going to have a +5 at the end. And let's find our slope. Just picking a couple points here. Her slope would be up 1 over 2. So y equals, slope is 1 over 2, and then x, and then our y-intercept is +5. And then finally, Ludwig. Ludwig has a y-intercept at 1. So Ludwig's equation is going to have a +1 at the end. And Ludwig's slope is, what is it? I can go from there to here. So it looks like up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 3 and over 4. So slope is 3 over 4, and then x comes after the slope. All right, check those equations. If you made a mistake, go ahead and fix those now. If you're not sure why that was a mistake, make sure you get my attention. Give me a chance to help you out with that. I have some questions for you. So it asks you to tell a story up here. You can do that if you want to. It's your packet, but you should be able to answer the following questions. Who won the race? Brewski won. How long did it take Brewski to finish? It took 7 seconds for Brewski to finish. Who had the biggest head start? Gia had the biggest head start. What was her head start? 5. Who did Brewski pass? Brewski passed both of them. When did Brewski pass Ludwig? So Brewski passed Ludwig right there, and that happened 4 seconds into the race. How far were they from the starting line when they passed? They were 4 meters from the starting line. When did Brewski pass Gia? 6 seconds into the race. And how far away from the finish line were they? How far away from the finish line were they? They were 8 meters from the starting line. How far were they from the finish line? They were 2 away from the finish line. A little curveball there for you. But yes, they passed and they were 8 meters from the starting line. All right. If you're feeling pretty confident about that, then you got everything I needed you to get out of our last couple lessons. All right, we're going to switch gears today, folks. Let me give you some instructions for what we're working on.